Hi guys, my name is Gopal, and in today's video we will be discussing about the definition of accounting. Uh, I have already broken down the definition into 8 points and will be just touching the points and will be discussing further on these points in the later videos. So accounting is the systematic process of identifying, recording, measuring, classifying, verifying, summarizing, interpreting, and communicating the financial information. So the first and foremost thing is to check about this definition is that it is a systematic process and it is only financial information. So the information which don't have the monetary value attached to it should not be recorded, and it is also the number 3 point. So first one is to identify. We have to identify the transactions or the information which is relevant to accounting. So if the transaction or the information is irrelevant, we will not record that transaction. Recording is to generally writing down the transactions which are happening so that we don't forget it. So we do the recording in accounting in the form of journal entries, or we can just say an entry at this stage. Measurement. I already explained the information or transaction which don't have the monetary value attached to them should not be recorded, because accounting only works on the finance basis or the money basis. So if there is no money or no financial information or nothing which we can relate to money, is not to be recorded in this accounting when we do the accounting. Classify. So we mainly classify accounting transaction into 4 parts: income, assets, income, expense, assets, and liabilities. There are further parts of these 4 classification, but we are not going further at this stage. Verify. So verify is kind of a process which is more of a monitoring. So we can say that we have to check what we have done until point 4, and when we're done the checking, it will we call it verify. So after verify that everything we have recorded is accurate and give us the transparent picture of what we want to record or what actually happened, we summarize the information which we have. So we summarize by mainly profit and loss statement and balance sheet. Again, I'm not going further in that. We'll discuss about profit and loss statement and balance sheet in the further videos. 7 and 8 is actually when you have done all the steps of accounting, then you have to make sense what you have done and then communicate the information which you already recorded and summarize to the person who don't know what accounting is, and that's what accountants do. So accountants take the number, crunch them, or take the reports, crunch them, and give the information to the reader of accounting information, so that the information makes sense for the person who is reading the information. So this is pretty much the definition of accounting, and in the next video we possibly be doing 2 or 3 points of from this definition, and we'll be discussing about the functions and elements of accounting. If you like the video, please like it and share it, and I'll be publishing my next video soon. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you.